Good morning to all. Today we are starting a new chapter of literature, that is chapter number 5, the Olympic Games. Now, introduction. What are Olympic Games? Olympic Games are a set of international sports competitions which take place every 4 years, each time in a different country. So now, how this Olympic Games got their names? The Olympic Games got their name from Olympia, a place in Greece where they were first held. First place to held Olympics were Greece. The game began as a religious festival. So in the beginning, this game was like a festival. The ancient Greeks dedicated the Olympic Games to the god Zeus, and they dedicated this game to their god Zeus. The Greeks held the first Olympic Games over 2700 years ago in the year 776 BC. And that time they had only one event, a sprint. Event means a sport, and sprint is a short race that was called the state. The race was run by men. A wreath of olive branches was placed on the winner's head. And that time women did not take part in the competition. So it was like only men were taking part and they were only the winners. And wreath is a ring of flowers and leaves. It was placed on the head of the winner. Olive trees were sacred to the Greeks. Sacred here means holy. Olive tree was a holy tree to the Greek people. The 4-year period between two Olympic Games is called an Olympiad. The difference between two Olympic Games, okay, it is of 4-year period and that is known as Olympiad. Every 4 years, for 1170 years, the Greeks held an Olympics which continued to grow and change. So after 4 years, every 4 years, it was continuously changing and they were growing. It was like some extra things were added in that, some new sports were added in that. Many more sports were added, including other races, wrestling, boxing, pentathlon, and equestrian events. Events which horses and people. These events were like in which horses and people used to take part, like chariot race. Chariot is rath, a cart which is pulled by horses, and horse races. Then the Byzantine Emperor. This Byzantine is now Istanbul. This Byzantine Emperor Theodosius came to the throne. He was the ruler of that empire. And he was very strict ruler. Stern ruler means he was very strict and serious. And he thought that the Olympics games distracted people. Distracted means people were not paying attention, and where they were not paying attention to the religion. So he banned the games in the year 394 AD. He put a ban. He did not allow anybody to do Olympic Games. Now, who was the father of Olympic Games? Pierre de Freddy Baron de Coubertin, a French aristocrat. French aristocrat meaning is a rich and stylish person, educator and sportsman. Revived the Olympic Games in 1896. Revived meaning is given, it started doing something again. In that year, the games were held in Athens, Greece. It is in Greece. Baron de Coubertin became the founder of the International Olympic Committee. Committee is what? It's a group of people doing some specific function, and designed the flag of Olympics. Now the Olympic flag. The Olympic flag has 5 interlocking rings on a white background. The blue, yellow, black, green and red rings represent the 5 parts of the world that were joined together in the Olympic movements. Now here you can see that this flag has white background. It is white in color, and these are the 5 rings. These 5 rings are representing 5 continents. These 5 color of the rings are representing the colors of 5 continents, and they are joined together. They are interlocked, means they are connecting with each other. Now we'll study what are the colors, which color represent which continent. So Africa, the black color is for Africa, the red color is for the Americas, yellow color is for Asia, green color is for Australia, and blue color is for Europe. The Americas. Why do we say the Americas? Because there is South America also and North America also. Now, the Olympic flag was first used in 1920. So after designing the flag, it was used first time in 1920 Olympic Games that were held in Antwerp, Belgium. It is a place in Belgium. And this flag is paraded. Paraded means, what do you mean? It is displayed clearly. It is shown clearly during the opening ceremony of each Olympic Games. It was shown clearly to the during the opening ceremony, and at the end of an Olympics, the mayor of the host city. Mayor is what? Mayor means the head of the town. The head of the town of the host city. Host city means the city where Olympic Games are held. So the mayor of that city presents the flag to the mayor of the next host city. So in that Olympics only, it was announced that after 4 years where the Olympics will be held. So that mayor used to present the flag to the host of the next city. And the flag remains in the town hall of the next host city until the next Olympic Games 4 years later. And for that 4 years period, it was kept in that city town hall only. Now comes the Olympic flame. The tradition of the Olympic flame began during the ancient Olympic Games. Tradition means a custom. A flame was lit for each Olympics. Flame was lit means it was lighted for every Olympic Games, every 4 years, and it burned throughout the games. It was continuously burning. There was no torch relay. Now torch relay, the meaning of torch relay is what? It's like an event. It's an event during which a ceremonial torch means a torch which is used for formal religious or purpose or public event. And it was carried on a designated route, on a specific route. It was that torch was carried to a specific route by the succession of torch bearers. A people of same kind, means athletes were holding that torch and they were moving. The first torch relay took place in 1936 Games in Berlin, Germany. So the first torch relay was started in 1936 Games. For each Olympics, a new flame is started in the ancient Olympic Stadium in Olympia. So Olympia was the place from where the first Olympic Games started. So whenever they have to light a Olympic flame, it was lighted from this Olympic Stadium in Olympia. How do they light that flame? They used a mirror to focus the rays of the sun. Like the flame, then the mirror, and on that mirror the rays of the sun were entering, and through that it was burned. This flame began its Olympic torch relay by touring Greece. Now this burning flame is usually taken by aeroplane to the country where the games will be held. It was carried, okay, it was burned in Olympia. It was lit in Olympia, then it was carried by plane to that city where the Olympics were to be held. Then a few chosen citizens. Chosen citizens means people who have the right to live in that, to belong to that country, carry the flame across the country. It is an honor to carry the torch. And how it was carried by the people? It was carried by running, walking, riding, or even scuba diving. Scuba diving is what? Underwater diving. The last runner uses the torch he carries to light the large Olympic flame at the stadium. And the last runner, what he used to do, he carried that light to the Olympic flame which was at the stadium. This flame burns throughout the game and it is burning. It is extinguished. Extinguished means vanished, or you can say to make a fire stop burning during the closing ceremony. A new Olympic torch is designed for each of the games. For each Olympic game, there is a new design for it. The Olympic motto is Citius, Altius, Fortius. And what is the motto of the Olympic game? It is swifter. It means swifter, means rapid, faster, higher, and stronger. It describes the goals. Goals means aims or objects of great athletes, great players, and sports persons all over the world. Now, types of Olympic Games. There are two other Olympic Games. One is Winter Olympic Games and the another one is Paralympics. Now, the Winter Olympic Games are those sports which are only held in winter season. And they are held after 4 years, every 4 years. And what are the features? That these winter sports are held on ice or snow. And the games which are held on ice or snow are skiing, figure skating, bobsleighing, and ice hockey. Skiing is what? It's a game in which skis are used. Skis are like sticks, and the player, he glides on the snow. Glides means he makes a smooth motion on the snow. Figure skating meaning is it's a type of ice skating only, where the player has to cut patterns, like he has to move zigzag, or he has to make a circle, and then he jumps and then he spins. And bobsleighing is a game in which one can slide down on an ice covered inclined surface. Inclined surface is a surface which is tilted. One end is long and one end is short. It's like a slope. Okay. And ice hockey, like playing hockey on the ice. Paralympic Games are a multi-sports event that are held for athletes with physical and visual challenges. Athletes who cannot see, they are blind, they are handicapped. So these Paralympic Games are held for such athletes. Now is the logo of Olympic Games. This logo which you are seeing in your picture, this is of Rio 2016 logo. This was the logo. The picture shows the logo designed for the 2016 Games in Brazil. The logo has 3 figures. In the picture you can see there are 3 figures. One is this blue color. Wait. One is this blue color. This is one figure till here. Then green color is starting, it is ending here, and yellow is starting and ending here. And you can see that all these 3 colors are joined together. These 3 colors are joined together, and it's looking like of a Brazilian flag, joined at the arms and in a triple embrace. Triple means 3 because they are 3. One is blue, one is yellow, and one is green. Embrace means to hold closely in one's arm. Anything which you are holding closely in one arm. Or you can say especially it's a sign of affection. And this shape is the same shape of the Sugarloaf Mountain of Brazil. This mountain is in Brazil. So this looks as if this is a Sugarloaf Mountain. The Olympic Games are a special competition. They celebrate the spirit means soul also, you can say essence also. Essence is smell, spirit of sportsmanship, and they spread the message of unity and peace.